Good morning. How are y'all today? It rained last night in Charlotte, and the forest is always so peaceful and quiet the morning after a nice rain. I love it. Beautiful place to get to come every day. Oh, a frog just jumped in there somewhere. This place makes me happy. I know my little phone can't do it justice, but it's just so nice out here today. Every day it's nice. I'm lucky to get to come here. It's a fun little place to grow a mushroom. Look at these things. I like these little things. You think there are gnomes living under those things? I think they're cool. Always fun little mysteries to find in my forest.